Here is Ada on Marley. Before that, we had Allie on Valentine.
Oh, and continue working trot. Proceed working trot. Track left. At E, circle 20 meters.
Canter.
Circle.
Circle. Slow.
At C.
Trot here.
Trot. Working trot at B, and then at C, medium walk. Walk. And then from H to F, free walk. Free walk. Free walk. 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 Walk.
She knows. She knows. Oops.
Alright, good. That was Kristen dropping her.
That was me dropping my water bottle. It is on the ground now.
At A, a working trot. This breeze.
Yeah, it's not too bad out here.
E, circle right, 20 meters. Is she doing less than 20 meters? No.
A little bit, but that's okay.
Between H and C, working canter, right lead, if you want.
B circle.
Circle. Circle. Yeah.
Slow. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Shoulders back.
Working trot now. At A, down the center line, halt and salute. Whoa!
Look at that racehorse go.